Please, don't kill yourself. Ho ho. Masakit man, but we have to move on.
Fine, ipapatiganti ko siya. My precious baby Patroclus! You don't deserve this! Sino pumatay sa kanya?
Si Hector.
I'm going to kill him! Let's go! But wait, makikipagbati muna ako kay Agamemnon.
Let's go.
Agamemnon!
Oh, bakit?
Agamemnon, where are you? Agamemnon, nasan ka na?
Akala ko ba magkakaaway tayo?
I know.
Alright, listen. Upon reviewing your exam, there were items about the wherein during the time when you took the test, you were not able to discuss restoring it. So that's a total of 10 points. That's why I asked if may naka-90 because that 10 points will be added to your quiz today. Alright, so it goes and
Pero ano lang siya, short clip lang siya.
Bye po.
Sana mo inusol nyo. Tama.
Let's go.
One.
Lawag ko na yung baba. Saan tayo pupunta?
1, 2, 3, go! Mang inasal.
Hindi, choking yan.
Food court.
Food court, food court. I'm going to buy some photo cards. Ang greasy ng mukha ko. And tomorrow, may pasok ako 9 a.m. And I have to leave the house ng around 6 or 7 a.m. Patingin nga, patingin ka. Wow! Mga ni-name drop ni Diskaya, tapos nakita ko ganito. Ganyan ka na ngayon. Oh, yung ano niya.
Kindly press na lang yung dial. Then insert your card here.
Thank you. Good to see you again.
An order of chicken sisig solo meal and then iced tea.